Hey guys, it's me and Chris again, and we're here with part 2 of retardedness. And Chris is going first, but I'm chasing after him, so what do you know?
Watch this, guys. Watch this. Try to get me, Keegan.
Nice job, smart one.
Oh,
Now what'd you do?
God.
How?
Oh,
Did you cut your hand on the stick?
God dang.
Oh, what? Did you cut your hand on the stick?
No. Okay. Here. Oh, God. Wait, how am I gonna... Yeah, I'll just wipe some of it off. Don't worry, dude, I'm gonna break it. It's just blueberry crap. Keegan, what's your stunt?
I don't know. Expect me to know anything? Ow! Ow.
Did you step on something?
Yes, sharp rock. That hurts so bad.
Let me see.
I think I'm gonna leave a rock in there.
Oh. Let me see, dude. Oh, dang.
It's sand.
It's infected now, dude.
And that's infected. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Watch me whoop my jump. Watch this.
Oh, I have to walk over there. Ow.
I'm gonna do the Tarzan.
Tarzan. What are you gonna do, Tarzan?
Look at it.
I heard something crack. Is that okay?
Got my nail, dude. I pulled off my nail. Oh.
Got both of your hands. You got cut by a stick.
Piece of stupid bark.
Sharp bark. They should make a brand of that stuff. Sharp bark. What am I gonna do? Going back over here. Oh, I know. Let's see how far I can jump.
Oh, yeah.
Go
Okay.
for action. Get it? Ow! Frick.
There you go. Are you okay?
No.
Oh, there's a brick there. What
Yes! This is where I was supposed to start jumping from. Stupid piece of crap.
Here. Just wipe it off.
Alright. Alright, let's go. Now what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
I did. You can jump up past that bridge.
Oh, yeah, okay.
See the big guy? I danced to him. jump up to the brick. Fail. What'd you do now?
Dang, dude. Bleeding through.
What? Oh, nice.
Can't walk.
Ow.
Well,
Alright. It's time for the final thing. Here. Gotta get all this blood off my hands.
I don't care.
Here.
This shirt and these pants are retarded, so.
Alright. My final time.
Okay.
Alright, Chris. I'm going to run down the slide, okay?
Yeah.
Ready? Set. Go. Ah, twisted my ankle.
Okay.
Ah, my wrist. Ow. Thanks for watching.